friends, I'm Manisha. Welcome back to my channel Yoga Ras. So today I'm here to share with you one of the most important topic that many people ask me, how to reduce belly fat. As you all know, obesity is one of the major health challenges in our society. So today I'm going to teach you 4 asanas which will help you to fight against obesity and reduce the belly fat. 1. Pavan Muktasana. From the Sanskrit, Pavan means air and Mukta means to release or to free. So there are 4 types of Pavan Muktasana. First, Ardha Sulabh Pavan Muktasana. Second, Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Third, Sulabh Pavan Muktasana. Fourth, Purna Pavan Muktasana. So today I will teach you Purna Pavan Muktasana. So let's see how to get into the posture. Take a deep breath in, breath out. Come to the supine position. Lie down on your mat. Straighten your legs. Face relaxed. Palms on the floor. Stabilize your breathing. Slowly bend your legs. Clap your knees. Pull your thighs towards your chest and abdomen. Grab your elbows for more pressure. Inhale, raise the head and touch your forehead or nose to your knees. Feel the stretch. Due to the pressure on your abdomen, it will help to reduce the fat around the belly. In the beginning, do it for repeated times, then you can increase the time limit up to 1 minute. Slowly exhale, place the head on the mat, release your hands, straighten your legs. Relax. 2. Dandasana. From the Sanskrit, Danda means stick and Asana means posture. It is also called as Kumbhakasana. The word Kumbhaka means to hold the breath. So initially it may be difficult to hold the posture, but with the regular practice it can be held up to 1 minute. For the beginners, Dandasana is strongly recommended to build the stamina and to strengthen the core muscle for practicing advanced yoga poses. From the sitting position, come on your knees. Place your palms on the ground just under your shoulder. Exhale while inhaling, push up your body, forming a straight line. Your neck, back and legs should be in one line. The arms are perpendicular to the ground while the body is parallel to the floor. It's more like a push-up position. Breathe normally and hold the asana. In the beginning, do it for repeated times, then you can increase the time limit up to 1 minute. Slowly release the asana, come to sitting position. 3. Virasana. From the Sanskrit, Vir means brave. The name of this asana does not completely match to the Sanskrit name, however it roughly means brave, particularly due to the way that asana is performed, that it looks like a brave man is taking position to attack his enemy. So let's start. Come to the right side of the mat. Take a big step to your left side. Bend your left knee in 90-degree angle. Join your palms and place on your knees. Keep your hips and torso facing to the front. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch the back, gaze to the ceiling. Breathe normally. Pull the shoulders back, open the chest. Take the arms backward as far as possible. Focus on your back, pelvis, legs and arms. Keep the both heels on the ground. The stretch on the abdomen helps to remove the fat around the abdominal region. In the beginning, start with 30 seconds and you can increase the time limit up to 1 minute from each side. Slowly release your hands, straighten your knee, come back to standing position. 4. Garudasana. From the Sanskrit, Garud means eagle and Asana means posture. In the final position, the body looks like the human form of eagle. Garudasana is the advanced stage of Sankatasana. From the standing position, raise your hands forward, parallel to the ground. Bend the knees, balancing your body weight on the right leg. Wrap your left thigh over the right leg. Bend the arms and wrap the right arm over the left arm. Touch both the palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your upper body straight. Look forward at a fixed point to maintain balance. Breathe normally. Initially, it may be difficult to wrap the legs, but if you bend the one leg more, it will allow to wrap easily around the other leg. You can hold the asana 30 seconds from each side. Slowly release your hands, straighten your legs, come to standing position. So friends, these are the 4 asanas you must try at home, and trust me, it will help you to reduce the belly fat. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment. For more such videos, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe.